Parliament of Religions is coming to you. Join us live at 9 a.m. on October 17th as 7 panelists share their perspectives on different facets of Hinduism, along with live Q&A.
Ladies and friends, and on 17th October at 9 a.m., we will have Hinduism, the religion that encompasses all. Nearly 7 panelists will be speaking on different angles, sometimes from the Vedantic point of view, Tantric point of view, Yoga point of view, then Jyotish is a unique way, and at the same time we will see a movie on Hinduism. So please join over there. You are most welcome. Thank you.
I am Swami Sarvadevananda, a monk of the Ramakrishna Order of India. I will be speaking in this panel on the topic of service ideal as lived by Ramakrishna, Vivekananda, and preached by them in the world for the good of the humanity. What is its uniqueness and how it has impacted the lives of people and the monastic traditions of India.
I'm a monk of the Ramakrishna Order and presently at the Vedanta Society in Boston. My topic in this panel is Vedanta, a philosophy of healing. And I hope to share some thoughts on how Vedanta helps us overcome the problems we feel, not only at the physical and mental level, but also at the existential level. How we can identify the cause of the problem underlying our human condition and what tools Vedanta provides so that we can transcend them and become happy and free once again. And I look forward to hearing the other thoughts expressed in this panel as well. Hari Om.
I am Swami Atmavidyananda Giri, representing Hinduism, which is referred as Sanatan Dharma, the eternal principle. I belong to the Kriya Yoga tradition of Paramhansa Hariharanandaji and Paramhansa Pragyananandaji. As human beings, we have 3 aspects of life, namely physical, psychological, and spiritual. Our difficulties also arise from these 3 aspects. Saints and seers have shown us an integrated method of holistic healing through the path of yoga and meditation, by which body is healed, mind is balanced, and our real nature shines. I eagerly wait to meet and explore this method through our discussion. Thank you.
Namaskar, my name is Swami Bhadrananda Saraswati. I'm the head priest at Kali Mandir and the dean of the Ramakrishna Seminary for Applied Theology. Kali Mandir is a Hindu temple dedicated to the worship of the Divine Mother in Laguna Beach, California. I'm honored to be presented this year at the Parliament of the World's Religions as part of a panel discussion on Hinduism, compassion, and healing. I'll be joining senior monks, teachers, and scholars as they discuss themes in the light of Vedanta, Yoga, Jyotish, and the traditions of Ramakrishna and Swami Vivekananda. My presentation will be on the holistic worldview and spiritual practices of the Hindu Tantric traditions. Please join us on Sunday, October 17th from 9 to 11 a.m. Central Time. You can register for this and the other amazing lectures, panels, and cultural programs at parliamentofreligions.org. Thank you.
Namaskar. My name is Brahmacharini Jagadhatri, and I am from the convent at the Vedanta Society of Southern California. My topic is Jyotish, a unique way of healing. Being a limb of the Vedas, Jyotish includes both astrology and astronomy. In my talk here, I will try to share how the understanding of this subject can help one to have the awareness of the self and to overcome our limitations. I shall look forward to seeing you all on the 17th of October. Namaskar.
Come join in this virtual pilgrimage through India with senior Swamis of the Ramakrishna Order. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity. Register now at parliamentofreligions.org.